What are you doing? Ozzy. Here's Asaf. Morning, guys. Just woke up, went out to eat some food yesterday, and when I got back, the boys were already sleeping. When I woke up this morning, and I was like, Amik, and I heard his voice. Daddy calling. Daddy calling. Hey, what's it? What's it? Say good morning. Say good morning. Amik, look. Look. What's he doing?
See?
See? Play music? Yeah. Wow. Good morning. Good morning. Amik, I'm gonna brush my teeth. You want to brush teeth now? Want to brush teeth now? Play some music. Wow. Music. Yeah, Azab. Yeah. Dancing. Yeah. Hey. What? Something on your foot? So I like to turn on their program in the mornings. What happened? I like to turn on their little TV program so they can watch something while I do whatever I'm doing. Amik, you want grapes? You want grapes? Want apple? You want apples and bananas? Their uncle brought some grapes yesterday for him to school.
Okay.
Grapes. Here. Eat the grapes. What happened? It's not playing. Turn it on. But you finish? Oh. Neat one. Yum. Eat something on top, but a little. Eat it. See, brother eating too, See yummy? You don't like it? Don't like it? Okay. You know what, guys? I think it kind of like a bitter taste. I like a bitter aftertaste. I don't know if they want to write some more or what.
Don't like it.
Don't like it.
Yes, I do.
You try that one?
My.
You gonna try that one?
Is it? My. Is it square?
So you obviously like it. You obviously like it, eh? When I turn on the program. I guess Alyshia and Eva over there having a ball, enjoying themselves. Man, guys, when I got in yesterday, early, like 8:30, 9 o'clock. And the minute I touched the bed, it was over. It was all over. The next thing I know, I wake up 3 o'clock. I woke up 3 o'clock. I was like, man, I didn't message Alyshia. So I took up my phone and called her. And she woke up. I think she got in maybe 12 o'clock, but this was like 3 o'clock in the morning. I was just calling her just to let her know that I'm okay, and just to make sure that she's fine as well, you know. You know. Saturdays and Sundays are my day off. I don't work out. I don't work out on Saturdays and Sundays. Take a little rest, let my body heal. Man, rough out here. But yeah, guys, let's see what Alyshia and Eva did yesterday.
Guess who's in town? Oh, you see me in the mirror too? Where are you ready to take on this New York street?
Ready.
All I know is New York is a lot of walking. Are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Do it.
So, Eva and I are going to have a quick late lunch. way late lunch. We're gonna take you guys with us. We all know Asafa is gonna say this is raw. We're eating raw food.
So I decided to try and have some fruits. Peel this thing. Got it yesterday, and I got some apples. So I might just have fruits for breakfast this morning. I have some fried chicken left over from yesterday. Found this restaurant right down the road from me. Yeah, nice little restaurant. Them the good fried chicken. So yeah, man. I love going there fried chicken. Yesterday I found that they do good curry goat too, not fried goat. Good curry goat. What I do? Rubber duck. Man, Asaf, you don't like a meat tail.
Do that.
Because Ami take out the cushion all the time and go on the couch. That's what he wanted to know. He has no idea why Ami do it, but he want to do it for no reason. That's it. That's it. You bite your tongue for? Want to peel it?
Go.
You want to peel it? I will teach you to answer about. Where get that from?
Sure.
Where get that from? Oh,
See?
Where get that something from?
See?
Peeling it.
Some.
You probably just peel half right though. Boom. That's a boom. Boom. Say boom. Say right, that's a boom. Say, I want to do some man. Say, I want to do some man.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm too lazy to peel off of all of this. Say, I want to do some man. I want to do some man. Alright, Tommy, this is going to be breakfast today, okay? Okay? Say okay. yummy, yummy. Feel like me a script out now, so feel like another part I make. Put more to them.
Yummy tummy.
Yummy tummy, yummy. Mmm.
Yummy tummy. Yum, 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 yum. Yes. Yummy. Yummy tummy. Eat.
Yummy tummy, eat.
Yummy.
Yummy tummy. Yummy tummy.
Don't like it.
Don't like it.
You want grapes?
Want grapes? But you say you don't like the grapes.
Grapes.
You say you don't like grapes. Okay, let's get some grapes. How is it? Yummy? Yummy? Asafa, you don't like it either? Asafa would finish it already and them don't like it.
Yummy, yummy, tummy.
You want grapes? You want grapes, Asafa? Grapes.
Tummy.
Yummy, yummy tummy.
Yummy, yummy, tummy. Go, 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 go. Yummy, yummy, tummy. Yummy, yummy, tummy. Yeah, go, get, get. Yummy, yummy, tummy. What are you doing? Yeah, go, shut tummy. Yummy.
It's apple.
Apple.
Apple, you want some?
Apple. What's up?
You want some?
Apple.
Apple?
See? Apple. Apple.
Yeah.
Yummy,
You're not okay.
yummy, yummy,
Yummy, yummy apple.
You are not well then.
Amik, you don't want nothing, man. When they say, hold on, no, brother. Hold on, no, man. Can't chat this week.
Why?
Because I'm turning on the camera.
I can't talk.
Mm.
Have to make upload.
But, man, sure. Anyway, guys, Alyshia bought these glasses for Amik. I don't think he's gonna wear them, but some glasses that whenever he's watching the iPad.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Wow.
Like it?
Wow. These are for you to watch the thing. Okay? You have to wear it to watch the iPad, okay?
Yeah, because you said it's too close to him.
These glasses.
It's for watching the iPad.
Yeah.
It's for looking on the iPad, okay?
Glasses.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look now. Look. Watch it now. You see? It's for watching the iPad. See?
Yo.
Wow, who's handsome?
It's for watching the iPad, okay, buddy? Use it to watch the iPad, okay?
Yeah,
Keep it on.
No.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's my look up him eyebrow. Amik is a little old man, you know. I mean, just sit down. Eva Vangula.
She said, oh, let's go back home and drop off the food. I said, you're not going back outside.
You know, go back outside. New York is too much.
I'm hungry. Let's come back and drop off the food. And then we'll go. I can do, I'm like,
These glasses are supposed to help his eyes. Asaf, don't take it off. Don't take all the man glasses. Leave it alone. Him watch the iPad very close and a lot, so we don't want him eyes to get messed up. So Alyshia bought those glasses so him can use. Asaf want to take off the man glasses. What's a bad man? That's a bad man, brother. Brother, bad man are a wicked thing, you know. You know? No, man. Bad man are a wicked thing, you know. See how I laugh? So we have this birthday party to go today. and I don't know. It's one of Amik friends at school. And we don't want. I don't know if. Oh gosh, Asafa. I don't know if I can manage Asafa. So I'm gonna try and call Manboy to follow me to this party. So you know, Amik loves him and stuff. So him can help out. Maybe I just show Asafa on him. Oh gosh. Asaf, see, this is what you were watching. This. Leave the man thing alone. Because I'm gonna watch that now, you wanna watch it. Come watch this, man. You're just bad, man. I came out to get Amik a gift for his friend birthday, and guys, I'm the worst to buy a gift, you know, because my thing is I know these kids just go and break everything the minute them get it. So it's like in my mind, I'm like, yo, why are we spending so much money on gifts? You know, like, you know, buy some little cheap gift where them are gonna mash up. Because them go and mash it up anyway. But, you know, I understand, you know, you have to get good stuff for them, quality stuff for them, so them can enjoy it more, you know. Yeah, man, I know. But I think I did well. I even got a little bag. Let me show you. Got a little bag and put it in, so I think I did well. It said happy birthday on it and all that stuff. So I'm proud of myself. I make sure to send Alyshia the picture and all of that stuff of what I bought. Yeah. Alright guys, we are headed out to the birthday party. Amik is in the back. Amik, you excited about the birthday? You going to a birthday party? Hey man, it's Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for us for today. Don't know what Alyshia is going on right now. I know she and Eva is on the streets. On this end, we are done. We're headed to the birthday party. Not gonna really vlog the birthday party. Know what I mean?
You okay? We are going to brunch. Harlem Public is where we're going today.
Okay, guys.
How was our brunch? Really good. And we're going to the museum right now, so we're gonna take you guys along. But I'm stuffed, I'm full, need to walk it off. Yeah. It's a vibe.
I don't know if you can see them, but I'm what's the song called? Chris Brown song I keep singing. That's how I feel. Every time I have one drink,
So we're gonna go to a museum. I think it's my second time. You?
it's my first time ever going on this.
I'm excited. Let's do this. Hopefully we can record. No, we're trying to see.
Yeah. We're gonna make it work for y'all.
Bye. Our food is here. I love how it's so simple, straight to the point. Yes, look at that. Are you ready?
I'll show you all our drinks too.
Bubbles. Yeah. Oh, then it just.
Just keep that. We're out. We're
Out
eating.
in Stunton.
So here's the trick. Last night, got caught up.
Yeah, I think we overate. Like, yeah, we went into a food coma, and then the night was young, but we were old.
Like,
Yeah, knocked out.
So
So, redo part 2 today. Brunch, museum, and then we're gonna go to like a thing.
yeah, we're going outside.
Yeah, outside. We outside. So these were the first set of people used to detect face technology. That is crazy. Look at this. This looks really cool. I can't really figure out what it's supposed to be. Let's read. To live and die in New York. I found a bed for you, Eva. Trust visions that don't feature buckets of blood. I know Asafa used to use one of these. Used to use one of these. Don't lie. Live here. Anytime I used to take the Uber, it was like this way to get to my casting. So I used to always take it. I look good.
You look good. Girl. You look good. But yeah, so Alyshia's giving us stories of
Yeah, this is like, what's the word?
Nostalgic.
Nostalgic, right? Like I used to always go this way to all my castings. So yeah,
it's a good view. I
it
love
really
that.
is. I used to like just zone out and like kind of do some meditation on my way to all my castings. And just, you know, words of affirmation. Yeah.
Wait, so we're not vlogging.